Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still think we're in an uptrend. I still think it's going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. This is the monthly, so it's going to take a long time to play out, but I do think eventually it is going to go up and take out these highs all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extended levels. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, definitely been going down for the last several weeks, but I still think this is a 1. I still think this is a running flat wave 2 in the middle right here. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C, definitely looks like running flat. That would make this a 1, probably make this a ABC of 2, and most likely it will go up for a wave 3, just like I showed on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this whole uptrend is a wave 1. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal wave A. I think this is an ABC right here, probably a wave B, irregular wave B because it made a new high. And I think we are very clearly in a downtrend, which I still think is likely to go down to at least a 50% minimum. Probably take out these lows, make a wave C, which would be an ABC of 2, and eventually go back up for the wave 3. Keeping that all in mind, let's head down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we are definitely still making lower lows, lower highs. Now, today is a big holiday for most people, so we do have to realize that today could be a little choppy. The trend is definitely down, so I would primarily be looking for shorts in a downtrend. I mean, maybe they will actually push up to complete what looks like an ABC pattern right here. That's a big maybe because I think the trend is down and it might just keep on trending down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, the reason why I think it could push up because this is very impulsive and this does look very corrective. So it does kind of seem to me like it might actually go up before it goes down, might even grab this high over here, part of an ABC correction. But today is a bank holiday for pretty much everybody in the world. I wouldn't be surprised if today was extremely choppy. I don't really think I would even be trading today personally. I think today would be a good day to take off. And honestly, it looks like it should go up, but the trend is down on all the higher time frames, so it might as easily just keep on trending down, making them lower lows and lower highs. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link it up here in the card, and don't forget to check out my new website, link down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.